Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the lens and subject ready. Clean the front element and confirm the lens is set to its macro range or 1. Mount the camera on a tripod if possible. Once done, position the subject so you can approach without casting shadows. You should pick a low ISO and a shutter speed that counters camera shake. If handheld, use faster speeds. Make sure you have good directional light. Use a reflector or a small LED to add highlights and maintain contrast. Now you tackle focus and exposure. Switch to manual focus, and if available, enable focus peaking so you see the exact plane of sharpness. Once done, fine-tune by moving the camera forward or back rather than hunting with the ring. This keeps depth consistent. Stop down to f/8 f/16 to gain usable depth of field, but make sure you don't go so small that diffusion reduces sharpness. Also, frame tightly and control the background to avoid distracting bokeh. Finish by securing light and capture technique. Use a diffuser or small soft LED to soften shadows. If you need more punch, add a ring flash set to low power. Then stabilize with a remote release or a 2's timer and bracket exposures if necessary. If your depth of field remains too thin, take a focus stack sequence, shifting the focal plane slightly between shots. If images are still soft, check for dust on the sensor or lens, and repeat with a slightly smaller aperture or sharper focus.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.